Health benefits of eating raw garlic. 1. Medicinal properties. Garlic has been used throughout ancient history for its health benefits and medicinal properties. The health benefits are a result of the sulfur compounds formed when a garlic clove is chopped, crushed, or chewed. It has been used to treat several common illnesses, such as common colds. 2. High nutrition value and low in calories. Garlic is highly nutritious, containing several essential nutrients, and is low in calories. 1 clove of raw garlic contains manganese, vitamin C, selenium, and small amounts of fiber, calcium, copper, phosphorus, iron, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, and potassium. 3. Boosts immune system. Garlic has been found to boost the function of the immune system, reducing the occurrence and intensity of common ailments like the flu and other systemic or skin infections. 4. Reduces blood pressure. Active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. 5. Reduces blood sugar. Garlic reduces pre-meal blood sugar level fluctuations in people with or without diabetes. It is effective in diabetic patients, especially if it is taken for more than 3 months. 6. Reduces cholesterol levels. Garlic can lower the levels of cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart disease. 7. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants reduce oxidative damage in the body tissue, which slows the process of aging and protects the body. The antioxidants in garlic combined with its benefits on blood pressure and cholesterol protect the heart and brain. It reduces the risk of brain diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. 8. Improves physical performance. Garlic can reduce fatigue, improving athletic performance, and physical capacity. It was used in ancient times to improve the physical performance of laborers and improve athletic performance in Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. 9. Detoxification of heavy metals in the body. At high doses, garlic has been found to protect against the organs from heavy metal toxicity due to sulfur compounds. 10. Garlic may increase longevity. Garlic can benefit the heart, brain, and other organs. It reduces risk factors, such as blood pressure, cholesterol, and heavy metal toxicity, which can help people live longer. Garlic is also a rich source of antioxidants and nutrients, and it boosts the immune system as well. 11. Can relieve intestinal ailments. Garlic tends to differentiate between the good and bad gut bacteria in the intestine and has an antibacterial effect on harmful enterobacteria. 12. Helps in treating urinary tract infection and kidney infections. Scientists have found that garlic can help treat or prevent the growth of P. aeruginosa, a pathogen that colonizes the urinary tract walls and is responsible for recurring urinary tract infections and kidney infections. Garlic is also effective against E. coli growth in the urinary tract. 13. Kills oral pathogens. Allicin present in garlic has antimicrobial properties and helps kill oral pathogens that are associated with dental caries and periodontitis. 14. Reduce acne. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Since acne is caused due to overaccumulation of toxins, clogged pores, and bacterial infections, garlic can be used to reduce acne. 15. Prevent hair loss. Hair loss is a serious problem these days. Pollution, impure water, bad eating habits, stress, etc. all add up to rapid hair loss. Scientists have found that garlic gel, along with betamethasone valerate, can help prevent hair loss. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to watch more content every day.